What's up, guys? What are you doing?
Out here in the garage again. Got the body on the chassis over the weekend. Been putting stuff together, mocking stuff up, having fun with it like a kid in a candy shop, you know. But I think we all do that from time to time. Little negative camber in the front wheels, but that's adjustable. Got these LED snowflakes. These LED snowflakes. My buddy Chip Burks in Utah, he does them. Look him up on the Samba. He sells kits. They're really cool and they're really bright. Help save your car. But yeah, got new pans in from Wolfsburg West. They're a little pricey, but they're tits. You can't beat them. Still a lot of work to do on this guy, but I'm gonna open that up.